Friends, welcome to Rolling Oak Brewing Company in Grayling, Michigan. Pretty close to Interstate 75, pretty far up north. Never been to this brewery? Just heard of it recently, so let's go check it out, shall we? Place. We have a food truck sort of thing. Killer van, dudes. Nice space. Thank you. I want to point out one glorious thing about this. One more time. See that number up top? That's where you want to be. It's reasonable, friends. Totally reasonable. Right behind the bar here is the swag section. Lots of t-shirts and sweatshirts. Lots of sweatshirts. A whole bunch of stuff. And hats. Koozies. Tiny glasses to big ones. And insulated crowlers. Looks like they got a mug club here. Pretty cool clock too. And I see they have a root beer and cream soda on the tap. Might have to try some of that root beer. I love that craft root beer. I really like the ambiance of this place. It's killer. Really like it. If you don't love beer, that's okay. They have wine too. Check that out. These are tap handles that are available for sale if you so choose. They make them, somebody makes them. Here. I have a sample of the whiskey barrel aged stout. Very good. Very good. I gotta stop saying very good. Ah, it's very good. I like their ceiling here. It's pretty cool. And I think the sample of the whiskey aged stout was really good, but I chose to get the peanut butter porter instead. I love porters. I like peanut butter, and it's always usually a good combo. Usually a good combo.
They know us by name. They'll have our orders all set. And
Sometimes it's too sweet, but not this time, friends. This is really good. Really good. I might say excellent. I did say excellent, so committing to it. Excellent. The longer I sit here, the more I love it. This place is great. They do make their own root beer. That's been confirmed. And cream soda. I've bypassed doing the flight, but I have tried some samples of some of their beers here. This is the Wipe the Sky. It's a porter vanilla. Definitely vanilla. Wow. Whoa. It's a vanilla Java porter. Wow. That's heavy duty. It's not boozy at all, but there's a lot of vanilla in that. Not overpowering. It's not an overpowering vanilla, believe me. But it's right on that edge. It almost tastes like a vanilla Coca-Cola flavor, if you can imagine a vanilla Coca-Cola with beer mixed in somehow. Vanilla Coke beer. That's what it is. Rolling Oak Brewery, A+. Love this place. Great brewery. I'm going to rank them at a 23 out of 25. Awesome place. That's right, friends. Rolling Oak does get a 23 out of 25 points. I gave them 5 points for their beer, 5 points for their staff. They had a great bartender, 4 points for the ambiance. I'm going to give them 4 points for the location as well, and 5 points for the price. $5 is the right price. I did not give them any bonus points, and that gives them a total of 23 points. Thanks for joining me today, friends. I appreciate your company at Rolling Oak Brewing Company in Grayling, Michigan. I'll see you at the next brewery.